We are starting off today with a travel mug from the Steel Magnolia, and I am using Miss Lillian's metallic paint in champagne. Give just the top part a good coat of this metallic paint and let that dry. Now take a little bit of epoxy, getting ready for the epoxy method. We're just going to take a little bit on the top where we have painted and add enough where just your cup is sticky. Now we're going to apply this really pretty beige light gold glitter called Caramel Latte from Diamonds and Dust Shop. And we're just going to put it on the top part right over the little hump there in our cup. Once that has cured for a couple hours, you can go ahead and add a coat of epoxy, concentrating on just the glitter area. If you happen to get some of your epoxy down on that stainless steel, just make sure it's smooth because we will be applying vinyl later on. We're going to mix up some more epoxy and separate it into 4 little medicine cups here. We're going to take some mocha luster dust and mix it into 1. Barista glitter, we're going to mix a little bit into the second one. Mix the glitter dark roast into the third one. And in the final one, I'm taking some Cameo Cream Dispersion Color from CC DIY and mixing it into that one. Now going back over to our cup, we're going to add a coat of epoxy. Now keep in mind, the more epoxy that you add on this layer, the more your swirls will move around as it cures. Now grab our little medicine cups we filled up with glitter and pigments earlier, and I'm just going in with the dark roast glitter, and I'm going to add not only just lines, but I'm going to kind of swirl it around in these little blobby like things and spread it out with my popsicle stick. Once you have gone all the way around your cup with the dark roast glitter, we're going to take that mocha luster dust in the same fashion. This time I'm just using it a little bit more sparingly. Now we're going to take the color Barista, and this one I didn't want it to overpower my cup too much, so I just added a little bit here and there to add the dimension. Now I'm going to take that cream dispersion color and I'm going to let it fall off of my popsicle stick onto the cup in more of a string-like manner. Now I'm going to take 2 toothpicks. I like to kind of crisscross them like this and just kind of give it a light swirl pattern. Once that epoxy has cured, we're going to wrap the handle in this really cute heart pattern. I cut the width at about 1 1/4 inches, and then I'm just going to trim it down to the length of the handle. Line that up with the top, and when you apply it, give it a gentle pull so it's nice and smooth over that rounded edge. Don't worry about the bottom if it's too long. We'll trim that off later. Take some scissors and cut just a few slits down each side so it's easier to work with and pull around that curved handle. Now take your heat gun and working with one section and one side at a time, we're just going to warm up that vinyl till you can kind of see it curling. That will give you a little bit of stretch and pull, and we're just going to tuck it behind and pull it taut. Using this cute coffee vinyl, I'm going to measure the bottom section of my cup and cut a strip at about 2 1/4 inches. Take that strip and right below the hump on our cup here, we're just going to apply it to that bottom section. Go ahead and trim off the excess. I like to just fold it back where I want it trimmed and cut it with an X-Acto knife. Now moving on to the bottom, I just like to pull and stretch that vinyl over that bottom rim, leaving it as smooth as possible, and then I'm just going to cut a circle to cover those edges. I cut out 2 1/4-inch strips of the heart vinyl. We're going to place this right above the coffee vinyl on the bottom, and then on the top right above the handle. I got this nail striping tape a while back on Amazon, and I'm going to take that and just apply it to the top and bottom of that heart vinyl we just applied. I accidentally recorded this part going vertically instead of horizontally, so super sorry about that. But now you can add your decal. here is our cute coffee mug all finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you would like more tips and tricks, join my Facebook group with the link in the description, and look for me on all other social media platforms. Thanks so much for watching, guys.